Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. If you're already part of the Joe Your Cooking Guide family, it's great to have you back. Today, I'm going to share one of my favorite holiday cookie recipes. These cream cheese cookies are so incredibly simple to prepare, but they are just awesome. I mean, just awesome. Just trust me, you have to try them to believe me, but they are incredibly good. So hang out with me for a bit and let's put this recipe together. So I want to do a quick run through of our ingredients. So I have 2 sticks or 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of sugar, and this is 6 ounces of mascarpone cheese, but you can substitute it for just plain old cream cheese, some vanilla extract, and you can also substitute that with a vanilla bean if you have it, 2 egg yolks, 2 1/3 cup of sifted all-purpose flour, and then 1 teaspoon of salt. So in our mixing bowl, I'm gonna add in the butter, the sugar, and our softened mascarpone cheese. Okay, we'll get that all in there. Crank this up. So what we want to do now is start to beat the butter, the sugar, and the mascarpone. And we really want to get all of the ingredients incorporated. The beating of the sugar and the butter and the mascarpone together is really what's going to provide these cookies with some structure. And really in this process what we're doing is we're incorporating air into the butter, and then the sugar holds that air, which is going to make these cookies really light and airy. So this step is so crucial and can really make or break your recipe. So I'm going to turn the speed up a bit, and we're going to let the butter, the mascarpone, and the sugar all incorporate, and then I'll show you how that's going to look when it's done. So after about 4 minutes of whipping this on high speed, you can see how light and fluffy this is now looking. And that's exactly what we're looking for. And now what I want to do, we're going to add in the 2 egg yolks. Really get those in there, scrape off your bowl here. Our vanilla bean. And this is just the 1 scraped vanilla bean. And then we'll add in our 2 1/3 cup of the sifted all-purpose flour. And now we're just going to start to incorporate all the ingredients, and I'm just going to do this on a low speed. So I took the cookie batter out of our large mixing bowl, transferred it into a smaller bowl, and now what I want to do is start dropping these on our baking sheet. And I'm going to use a small little ice cream scoop to portion out our cookies, and this is probably, I think it's about 1/2 ounce. Right, so we'll take our batter, put them in, and just start dropping it. And you want to leave a little bit of space, about 2 inches or so, in between each of the cookies, because they will spread slightly during the baking process. And lastly, what we want to do is just very slightly kind of flatten out the top of the cookie. Right, and I went ahead and did the rest of those. And then I just have some red and green sugar crystals. And we're just going to take some and just go over the top. And I'm going to just kind of mix it up. I'll do some red, some green. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, I can't wait till these are done. These are just so good. All right, I'm going to take these cookies and I'm going to pop them in a 350 oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. I took these out of the oven. I let them cool on the baking sheets for about 3-4 minutes. I mean, of course, I had to eat 3 or 4 of them before I put them on the platter, but they look and smell absolutely amazing, and I guarantee you're gonna love these cookies. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. I truly hope you enjoyed this video, and give this recipe a shot. I guarantee it'll very quickly become one of your favorites as well. Please leave me a comment below, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, and be sure to hit the subscribe button if you enjoy the content on my channel. I want to take a moment to wish you and your families a very Merry Christmas and a happy and prosperous New Year. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.